How to use TikTok user search. If you want to use the TikTok's user search feature, what you want to do is simply first of all launch the TikTok application. Then you want to tap on the search icon, which is a magnifying glass icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And you want to simply search for a specific username. If you remember or know the username, you can simply try to search for the specific username like this. And when you do that, normally you'll go to the top, which will also show you videos. But if you only want to see the users, you can tap on this users icon from the top of the option. And when you see the users icon over there, now you'll be able to see a list of users with that similar username. And now you can go ahead and then choose to follow that person if you want to. And this way you can use TikTok's user search feature. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.